Alam mo yung feeling na pagod ka kahit wala ka namang ginagawa? Or yung parang tahimik naman, pero ang ingay-ingay ng utak mo? Alam ko yung pakiramdam. We've been there. Hi, I'm Chef, founder of Chefy's Crystals. I have something that might be able to help you. This is amethyst. Amethyst is a calming stone. Nakakatulong siya to ease stress, anxiety, and it helps into releasing tension from your mind. It manifests peace, clarity, and positive energy para kahit maraming ganap sa buhay mo, you can just breathe and, feel okay. You know what's the best part? Hindi siya mahal. So, hindi kailangan mahal para gumaan ang pakiramdam. Because here at Chefy's, we believe that everyone deserves to feel better. Kaya if you want na hindi ka na ma-overwhelm and you want to feel better and less anxious about things, go to our shop pages and look for Chefy's Crystals. I-search na lang sa search bar. Take that moment of calm, kahit konti lang. So, see you soon. Bye!